In this video, I'll show you how to fix drag and drop not working in Windows 11. This can help if you cannot drag files, move items between folders, drop files into apps, or move files onto the desktop. First, try the simple keyboard fix. Click and hold the file you want to drag. While still holding the mouse button, press the escape key once, then let go and try dragging the file again. This can reset a stuck drag and drop action. Next, restart File Explorer. Right-click the Start button and open Task Manager. Find Windows Explorer in the Processes list. Click it, then choose Restart. Your desktop and taskbar may refresh for a moment. After that, try drag and drop again. If it still does not work, restart your computer. This can clear temporary Windows glitches that stop dragging from working properly. Next, check where you are trying to drag the file. Some apps or folders may not allow files to be dropped in certain places. Try dragging the same file to the desktop or another normal folder. If it works there, the issue may be with the app or location you are using. Also check if the file is open in another app. For example, if a document, image, or video is currently being used, Windows might stop you from moving it. Close the app, then try again. Now check your mouse or touchpad. Try dragging a different file. If the mouse button keeps releasing by itself, the issue might be with the mouse rather than Windows. You can also unplug the mouse and plug it back in, or try another USB port. If the problem started recently, install any available Windows updates. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, and check for updates. After installing updates, restart the PC. If drag and drop still does not work, check whether a third-party app is interfering. Try closing those apps temporarily and test again, and that's it. You've now fixed the most common causes of drag and drop not working in Windows 11.